Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the partition values, in that deciles and percentiles. In this video we are going to discuss the meaning of decile and percentile, the statistical formulas for calculating decile and percentile for the three data series, and the problems on decile and percentiles. So let's get started with the meaning of decile and percentile. Deciles are the values which divides the series into 10 equal parts. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ decile ಅಂದ್ರೆ those values which are going to divide a given series into 10 equal parts. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 10 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ 10 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 9 deciles ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ D1 to D9, because in order to cut a series into 10 parts we need to cut it 9 times. For example, if you want to cut a thread into 9 parts, then thread into 10 parts, then you have to cut it 9 times. So you have to make 9 cuts in it. So ಒಂದು ದಾರ ನಾವು 10 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ದಾರಾನ ನಾವು 10 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು 9 ಸಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 9 decile values. And D5 is equal to median. So quartile ಒಳಗ Q2 is equal to median, whereas in deciles D5 is equal to median, because D5 is the centermost value of any particular given series. Similarly, percentiles are the values which divide the series into 100 equal parts. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸನ್ನು ನಾವು 100 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ 100 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ದೋಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇಂಟು 100 equal parts is called as a percentile. So in order to cut a series into 100 parts we need to cut it 99 times. ಒಂದು ದಾರಾನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 100 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, 99 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ ದಾರ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು 100 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, 99 ಸಲ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. 99 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 99 percentiles ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ P1 to P99, and P50 is equal to the median. Q2 is equal to median, D5 is equal to median, and P50 is equal to median. Now let's discuss about the statistical formulas. For individual and discrete series we use the similar formula. For continuous series a slight change will be there. So the formula to calculate the decile and percentile is same as quartiles. Instead of dividing n by 4 we need to divide it n by 10 for calculating decile, and we need to divide n by 100 in order to calculate the percentile. We also need to multiply n by the relevant decile or percentile. For example, if we need to calculate D4, then we need to multiply n plus 1 with 4, and for calculating decile we need to divide these values by 10. In quartile what we used to do, n plus 1 divided by 4 we used to calculate, but for calculating decile we need to calculate n plus 1 divided by 10. Similarly, for calculating percentile we need to divide it by 100. And what percentile we are calculating, for example 39 here, so we need to multiply n plus 1 with 39. Similarly, if you want to calculate P50, then 50 into n plus 1 divided by 100. Otherwise, if you need to calculate D7, then 7 into n plus 1 divided by 10. So for calculating decile we need to divide it with 10. For percentile divide it with 100. For quartile divide it with 4. For median we need to divide it with 2. And for what value we are calculating, either it is P29, P39, P40 or D5, D2, D3. So which decile we are calculating, by that number we need to multiply n plus 1. So in this problem, if we want to find D4, we need to multiply n with 4. Similarly, if we need to find P39, we need to multiply n with 39. So similarly, if you want to calculate any percentile or decile, you need to multiply the respective value with the n plus 1. So equation is similar with the slight change that for calculating decile we need to divide it with 10. For percentile we need to divide it with 100. For a continuous series, the equation is similar to the calculation of quartiles, with the only difference that for calculating decile we need to divide it n by 10, and for percentile we need to divide it with 100. So the equation is L plus which decile we are calculating. So here we are calculating fourth decile. So 4 into n divided by 10 minus Cf divided by f into I. And similarly for percentile 39, we are calculating P39. So multiply n with 39, divide it with 100, then same Cf divided by f into I. So first step is going to be our calculation of n divided by 10 and n divided by 100, then multiplying with the respective decile or the percentile. So let's try to solve some problems on decile and percentile. First, we are going to solve problem on individual series. So here is an example from the following data. Calculate D3 and P29, 25. So same steps as we followed in calculation of quartile are going to be followed here. So here you are given the individual series, individual observations. We need to arrange them into ascending order or a descending order. Then we need to apply the formula, and finally we have to locate the decile and the percentile. So in this problem we are going to calculate D3 and P25. So first step is to arrange the given series into ascending order. So here you can see the lowest value is 2 and the highest value is 18. So starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our n is equal to 9. Now we have to apply the formula. We are calculating D3, so we need to multiply n plus 1 with 3, and we are calculating decile, we need to divide it with 10. So the formula goes like this: size of 3 into n plus 1 divided by 10th item. So 3 into n is equal to 9, 9 plus 1 divided by 3, that is going to be 10 into 3 and divided by 10, and the size is going to be 30 divided by 10th item, which is going to be the third item. So we have to count here 1, 2 and 3. So 6 is our D3. Similarly for calculating P50, we are calculating percentile, so we need to divide the formula with 100, and we are calculating P50, so we need to multiply n plus 1 with the 50. So 50 into n plus 1 divided by 100 is going to be our equation. And we know that n is equal to 9. 50 into n plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 divided by 100. It's going to be 50 into 10. So 50 into 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 500 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 500 divided by 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the answer will be fifth item. The size of fifth item ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 is our fifth value. So P50 is equal to the value 10. So this is how we calculate the decile and the percentile for individual series. So no matter what decile and percentile value is asked, you have to multiply the respective decile value with the n plus 1, and you have to divide it with 10 if you are calculating decile. You have to divide it with 100 if you are calculating the percentile. So now let's look at how we calculate these percentiles and deciles for discrete series. Here we have got a definite values and the respective frequencies are given. So we need to calculate D5 and P50. So our first step is calculation of cumulative frequency, then applying the formula and finding out the value. So first of all, we are going to plot the x values, that is size of the shoes. Next is frequency, and finally the cumulative frequency. So as you know, cumulative frequency is nothing but the added up frequencies. So for the first x value, the frequency is 10. For 4.5, the frequency is going to be 10 plus 18, which is equal to 22. For 5, it is going to be 10 plus 18 plus 22, which is equal to 15. Similarly, you have to go on adding, and we come to know the total cumulative frequencies like this. And our n value is nothing but the total of the frequency, which is going to be equal to 55. So after calculating the cumulative frequency, we have to apply the formula. So the formula is size of n plus 1 divided by 10th item for the respective decile, and n plus 1 divided by 100th item for the respective percentile. So here we are calculating D5, so we have to multiply n plus 1 with 5, and we are calculating decile, that is why we have to divide it with 10. So equation is 5 into n plus 1 divided by 10. So 5 into n already we have calculated here, 155. 155 plus 1 is going to be 156. If you multiply with 5 we will get 780 divided by 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 78th ಐಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ 78th ಐಟಮ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 75 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ 78 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 78 ಫಾಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 115 ಒಳಗೆ 78 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ x value is 6. That is why our d5 is equal to 6. Now similarly for calculating percentile, we are calculating p50. That is why we need to multiply n plus 1 with 50, and we are calculating percentile. That is why we have to divide it with 100. So the equation goes like this: 50 into n plus 1 divided by 100th item. 50 into n is already calculated, 155 plus 1 which is equal to 156. 156 into 50 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7800 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 7800 divided by 100th item ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 78th item. ಸೊ 78th item ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 78 ಫಾಲ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ 115 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ p50 value is equal to 6. So by observing these two values you come to know that these two values are same. So these are nothing but the median values. So as I already explained at the starting point, d5 is the value which is equal to median, and p50 is the value which is equal to median, or the centermost value. So p5 and p50 are same. Similarly quartile, in quartile q2 is equal to the median. So this is how we calculate the decile and percentile values for discrete series. Now let's look at how we calculate these values for continuous series. As you know, we are given the class intervals and we have respective frequencies. We need to find D7 and P20. So our first step is calculating n divided by 10 and n divided by 100. So before calculating we need to ascertain the cumulative frequencies, which we have already explained. We need to find out the n value. We need to total the frequency values, and n is equal to 88. Then cumulative frequency we have calculated here. After that we need to calculate which decile value we are calculating. We are calculating D7. So 7 into n divided by 10. 7 into n is equal to 88 divided by 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 61.6 value ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So for 61.6 we have to look at the cumulative frequency. 61.6 will fall here. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 57 values ಇದಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 61.6 value ನಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So ಈ ಏನು class interval ಇದೆ, this is going to be our decile class. So this class we are going to use. In that 18 is going to be our L value, 57 is going to be our CF value, 10 is going to be our frequency, that is F value, and the difference between two class intervals, that is 20 minus 18 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ I value ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. So you can see here that 61.6 lies in the group 18 to 20. So our lower limit is 18. Cumulative frequency is the frequency previous to the decile class, which is 57, and F is nothing but the frequency of the decile class, which is equal to 10, and I is nothing but the width of the class interval, which is 2. So by after finding out these values, we have to put these values in the equation, and we have to simplify the equation, and finally our value D7 value is 18.92. Okay, this is how we calculate the decile for continuous series. Now let's look at how we calculate the percentile for continuous series. Same equation, with only change that we have to divide n by 100 and we have to multiply n with the respective percentile value. So after calculating the cumulative frequency, we have to find out this n divided by 100 value for the respective p value or percentile value. We are calculating p20 or percentile 20. That is why we need to multiply n with 20, and we are calculating percentile. That is why we have to divide it with 100. So ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 17.6 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So 17.6 ಈ cumulative frequency ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 11 observations ಇದಾವೆ, 11 frequency ಇದೆ. So our respective 17.6 value lies here 22. ಈ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ 10 to 12 class interval ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So 17.6 lies in group 10 to 12. So respective L value is 10, which is the lower limit of the decile class. cumulative frequency, that is CF of the preceding class, that is 11, and the F value is also 11, and I is equal to 2. So after finding out these values, we need to put these values in the equation. L is 10 plus 20 into n divided by 100, which we have calculated already, 17.6, minus CF, which is this, and divided by F, which is also 11 into 2. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ P20 value ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 11.2. So this is how we calculate the deciles and percentiles for all the three data series or all the three data observations. Thank you.